What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can reset your Metro Bank's online banking account's password. Now before I show you the way, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Let's jump into the video without any further ado. First step, search for Metro Bank login and click on versus personal online banking over here. It'll bring you to this website. Click on login over here and choose personal banking. Now if you have business, you can go on business. I have personal, so I go on personal. And once it brings you to this website, over here, click on versus forgot your passport or security number over here. It will take you to this website. Over here, click on reset your passport and enter a 12-digit customer number over here and click on continue. It'll ask you for some more information after this. After you provide all the information, if the information is correct, it'll take you to the page where you guys can enter a new password for your account. So that's how this works. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.